Hello YouTube, my fish family, y'all. Just got back from Gatlinburg and I went in there and checked on my fish. I had them on time, release food and everything while I was gone. And I looked in my polar blue Parrots hybrids and looked in the tank, and they're both proud mama and papas, y'all. I got little baby fish swimming everywhere in my tank. And not only that, I looked at my mud guppy tank and they have hatched, but they ain't got near as many babies as these polar blues, and there's some proud parrots. Look at there, y'all. Yeehaw, anybody gonna need any polar blue parrots? Get in touch with Catfish Terry. Looks like I'm in the business, y'all. My little babies. Y'all treat everybody the way you want to be treated, and spend time with your family like they're spending with their kids here, y'all. Love all my fish family and everybody, y'all. Thanks for subscribing. Hit those buttons. Until next time, Catfish Terry, yeehaw.